Now we're starting and we are here. Now my name is Ashit and today I will talk about a story whose from the journey begins the aspirant of UPSC, from where he starts and from where he ends, and the life of his will tell and express about his life, how the situation or how the condition came to us in every moment or in our life, how to take the or see the situation at that time. Hey, here and now I'm starting a story about telling about a UPSC aspirant who's he when he was a child he was studying and growing literally, and he was studying a lot of, and he has not anything in not mind. And when someone who see like there is a IPS officer, and then therefore he is doing something like he is catching or stopping the aspirant who I am talking about. He is stopping someone, and because there is a case, and because of that, he got angry. Why I get caught? I haven't done anything. So he now in the mind that I have to become IPS officer. I have to give UPSC exam. I have to rule like that person who can stop anyone, if whether it is a rich person or any politician. So here the story starts of the person who was a small child and seen the world how it was, and then he started doing preparation for the UPSC. He was in 12th now, and he was not decided properly how to study now. And then there are a lot of people who motivates him, but there is no any benefit of it, because he don't get motivated, and he got demotivated by himself by speaking that word and those words that I can't do anything. A moment changed everything now. A moment came when he meets the person in school only, when he was outside, when the last year of the school, and after he seen there's a another aspirant of UPSC who has cleared the UPSC exam by motivations by many of the teachers, friends, and all family, and then he motivates him a lot of, and then he started doing some work on it after 12th. After 12th of graduation, he started preparing the preparation of the UPSC, and he was surprised at how many knowledge in the world there, and how much do I study, and it is the most difficult exam in the world, and so I have to prepare a lot of. Then he started with and don't get off until he study a lot of and do a lot of hard work every day. He don't eat food. When eating food, he think that my time is wasting. Why I'm eating food? That's much courage have been engaged or moved to him, and now after days, lots of society, as you are aware also, as you are a student or anyone, you have a lot of pressure among the between. If you are a young one, so you have a pressure of jobs, and then the situation became like that. After that, the person goes very depressed by the society and the people or his family by saying, what are you doing? Why are you not getting job? What are you preparing for? The society covers him a lot of question, and there are lot of question arise from there, and he got disturbed upon this, and he can't prepare at well at on the UPSC, and how it lead to its demotivation, and he demotivates and crying or depressed. Even I can not express his situation, He was in the situation of death as many of the, but some of his friends stopped him to do that. Then he decided and moved from to facing challenges all over the society, and depression is the most thing, or anxiety covers him, or depression covers him, and almost all the bad negativities covered him with a lot of questioning. What would I do? What should I do in future? As there someone telling I can't get job because I am not studying, and someone is telling my friends ki you are a UPSC aspirant and you have said us ki that you will become a UPSC aspirant in is by easy way. Oh, I am not becoming, and this a question arises, and now he get caught on the question, and then he feel something like I have to do it. So, in you have a desire also when you there are many life situation in which you see yourself as a person who can't do anything, because if you, for example, if you lose the competition, you felt that you want to see, you don't see your mistakes, you see only I lose because of this reason, and but the person is different from everyone, and he started working, and after then he caught the word of his friend, and he starting preparation, but in depression covers him, but he felt a lot of hard to do this, even after mother and father also saying, which also known as our god, but they are also showing society is like that of us. As we all know, we can't live here. If we have to live here, we have to get a courage, a lot of courage to do that work. We have to motivate ourselves to do that work, because the mind is our dad. Our conscious mind makes us demotivate every time. You see, like you can't do anything that our mind, but if we going to do that and we finally reach, and then we think that oh I have done it, so this is an easy now you felt at that time, but the motivation takes him the person to the UPSC, and when the UPSC exam comes, a lot of depression and lot of question arising at every time. He can't live at the single one moment. The lot of question arises and make him felt demotivated, but he gathered a lot of strength and go to just on the exam hall on the day, and there was a teacher who discussed about that, because she has been suffered from that, as you can see in everywhere, not they, not the person you I am talking about who is struggling from his life, all everyone, you, me, and everyone are struggling, and they want the final result, but not hard work for that, but the person motivates him and do hard lot of hard work. After there are lot of questions arises to do job to him, then he decided to job as society claiming that he can't success in the UPSC. After some time, then the result arise. He is in the merit list, and now he has been selected, and he came up from the depression, and he want to show his happiness or feelings, uh, or present. He want to present in the society that I have done this. Oh, I have got this. So this is the story of the UPSC experiment, UPSC aspirant. So we came to know that many situations or many problems come into our life and they can't leave us. We have to struggle every time, not to left single 1 minute like the UPSC experiment done. He forgot about the lunch break or breakfast he have to do. He motivate himself up to that. He want to learn at anything. If he if that the important work he can leave. He has made mind like that, and we also have to do this, then we can success. Thank you, that's the story, and if you like it, then please comment and tell about the story. Thank you.